What happens if there is a liquid sandpaper circulating inside your hydraulic system? The hydraulic oil you think is protecting your machines could actually be destroying them from the inside out. The main cause of this hidden destruction? A silent enemy called contamination, specifically invisible dust particles. Normally, our naked eye can only see things larger than 40 microns, but the dust particles hiding inside your hydraulic oil can easily be smaller than 10 microns. Think about this for a moment. The clearance between the moving parts in hydraulic pumps and valves is incredibly tight, ranging from just 0.5 to 5 microns. That means the most critical operations in your system happen in spaces about 8 times smaller than the tiniest particle your eye can even see. Driven by extreme pressure, this oil forces its way into these microscopic clearances, carrying the dust right along with it. It acts exactly like a liquid sandpaper, ruthlessly grinding away at the metal surfaces. Even larger dust particles, fueled by sheer velocity, scratch and gouge the metal as they force their way through. But here is the most dangerous part. The tiny metal shavings torn away by this friction mix straight back into the oil, multiplying the contamination and aggressively accelerating the destruction of your entire system. Because of this relentless wear, the internal clearances inside your pumps and valves begin to open up. This creates massive internal leakages. The system loses its ability to hold pressure. Oil temperatures skyrocket, and eventually the entire system completely collapses. So, how do we survive this destruction? First, you must constantly ask yourself, is your system running on clean oil or a destructive liquid sandpaper? To find out, running an SOS oil analysis is absolutely essential to measure the exact level of dust and contamination inside. Standard suction filters only catch massive debris, around 100 to 150 microns. Return line filters might drop down to 25 or 50 microns. Because of this, they are completely useless at catching the deadly microscopic dust particles smaller than 5 microns we discussed earlier. But if your system utilizes high-pressure filters rated at a microscopic 3 microns, this deadly dust is successfully trapped. If you don't have them, you must use a filter cart with a 3-micron element to meticulously filter even brand new oil before it ever touches your system. Now, how does this contamination actually get in? There are 4 primary invasion routes. Number 1, dust accumulating on the cylinder rods is forcefully dragged past the seals. Number 2, contaminated outside air is sucked directly through the tank's breather. Number 3, new hoses are not properly flushed and cleaned during maintenance. And number 4, lint from shop rags is accidentally introduced during repairs. Always remember this critical fact. Even the brand new oil straight from the barrel is packed with invisible contamination. Monitoring every single one of these entry points is the only way to guarantee the extended life of your hydraulic system. Before you go, check your own machines. Are your breathers and cylinder wipers actively protecting your system? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped protect your system, make sure to hit that like button. To discover more hidden engineering secrets and build true technical intuition, subscribe to eMind. Undoubtedly recognized. Stay focused and stay technical.